Condo R1713 is an impressive travel trailer designed for efficiency and comfort. Featuring a retractable roof, it can fit in most residential garages, making storage convenient. When fully extended, the interior height reaches 82 inches, providing ample headroom. Constructed with aluminum panels, an aluminum floor, and a composite interior, it is both lightweight and durable. The large windows allow for plenty of natural light, enhancing the spacious feel. Inside, you'll find essential amenities like a toilet, fridge, and dining area, all accessible even when the roof is down, making it perfect for on-the-go convenience. The trailer's aerodynamic shape, developed in a virtual wind tunnel, significantly reduces drag compared to traditional models. Barefoot Bespoke Caravans offer a unique blend of nostalgia and modern convenience. Handcrafted in Great Britain, these caravans are now available in North America, thanks to a partnership with New Camp RV. The Barefoot Caravans stand out with their distinctive retro design, featuring a spacious and stylish interior. They come in various captivating colors, with options like sea glass and pearl pink, adding a touch of charm. Barefoot Bespoke Caravans are known for their distinctive, retro-inspired design and modern comforts. These compact trailers feature a unique egg-shaped fiberglass shell that is both lightweight and durable. Inside, the Barefoot offers a cozy and stylish interior with a full kitchen, a spacious seating area that converts into a double bed, and a wet shower and toilet. The chic design is complemented by practical features like ample storage and efficient use of space. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, the Barefoot Bespoke Caravan provides a delightful and memorable travel experience. Airstream travel trailers have been synonymous with quality and iconic design for decades. The Airstream camping trailer's sleek, aerodynamic aluminum exterior turns heads wherever it goes, while its interior offers a luxurious and comfortable living space. Designed with attention to detail, Airstream trailers feature high-quality materials and finishes, creating a home-like atmosphere on the road. The layout maximizes space, providing a well-equipped kitchen, cozy sleeping areas, and ample storage. Modern conveniences like air conditioning, heating, and entertainment systems ensure a comfortable experience in any weather. Airstream's commitment to quality craftsmanship and innovative design makes their trailers a top choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish travel companion. Bean trailers are crafted for the modern explorer who values durability and capability. These off-road teardrop trailers are built with a single fiberglass shell, eliminating common issues like leaks and weak spots. The rugged design of Bean trailers makes them perfect for off-road adventures, with features like high ground clearance and a robust suspension system. Inside, the trailer offers a cozy and efficient living space, complete with a kitchenette and sleeping area. The thoughtful design maximizes storage and functionality, ensuring you have everything you need for your journey. Bean trailers also offer customization options, allowing you to tailor the trailer to your specific needs and preferences. Whether heading into the mountains or the desert, Bean Trailers provides a reliable and comfortable base for all your adventures. The Hitch Hotel is a revolutionary concept in travel trailers, designed for ultimate convenience and versatility. This compact trailer attaches to your vehicle's hitch and expands into a spacious camper that comfortably sleeps two adults. When not in use, it retracts to a mere 3 feet long, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. The Hitch Hotel is perfect for spontaneous travelers who need a quick and easy setup without sacrificing comfort. Its lightweight design means it can be towed by almost any car, and its robust construction ensures durability. Inside, the camper offers a cozy sleeping area and essential amenities, making it ideal for weekend getaways or longer trips. The Hitch Hotel's innovative design and practicality make it a standout choice for those looking to hit the road with minimal hassle. Trailmanor travel trailers are known for their innovative design that combines the convenience of a pop-up with the comfort of a conventional trailer. These lightweight trailers are easy to tow, even with smaller vehicles, and feature a unique fold-out system that expands into a spacious living area. Inside, the Trailmanor offers a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and ample storage space. The hard walls and roof provide excellent insulation and weather protection, making it suitable for various climates. Trailmanor's clever design allows for quick setup and takedown, making it ideal for spontaneous trips and frequent travelers. With Trailmanor, you get the best of both worlds, a compact, easy-to-tow trailer that doesn't compromise on comfort and amenities. The HC1 Studio by Happier Camper is a compact, versatile travel trailer designed for comfort and style. Featuring a durable fiberglass shell, the HC1 Studio is lightweight and easy to tow. Its modular interior includes a fully appointed kitchenette, bathroom, and a queen-size bed, making it perfect for solo travelers or couples. The trailer's adaptive system allows for customizable interior layouts, providing flexibility to suit various needs. The large rear hatch and wide entry door enhance accessibility and convenience. The HC1 Studio offers a cozy and functional living space with modern design elements and high-quality finishes. Whether you're setting off on a weekend trip or a long journey, the HC1 Studio offers everything needed for a cozy and pleasant travel experience. The Little Guy Mini-Max is a small travel trailer that offers many features and functionality. Weighing just 2,320 pounds, it is easy to tow with most small SUVs and crossovers. Despite its small footprint, the Mini-Max offers a well-designed interior with high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Inside, you'll find a spacious dinette that converts into a comfortable bed, a well-equipped kitchenette with a refrigerator and microwave, and a wet bath with a shower and toilet. The large windows and ample storage space adds to the trailer's appeal. Designed for adventure seekers, the Little Guy Mini-Max provides all the comforts of home in a compact, easy-to-tow package. It's perfect for those looking to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Rockwood camping trailers by Forest River are renowned for their durability, versatility, and comfort. These trailers are designed to provide a home-like experience while on the road, with various floor plans to suit different needs. Inside, Rockwood trailers feature well-appointed kitchens, comfortable sleeping areas, and ample storage space. The tent-style pop-up design allows for easy setup and takedown, making it convenient for spontaneous adventures. The trailers are equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, heating, and entertainment systems, ensuring a comfortable stay in any weather. Rockwood trailers are built to last, thanks to their sturdy construction and top-notch materials. The Aliner Somerset, Utah is a spacious, versatile folding camper designed for outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience. With a length of 19 feet, it provides ample space for up to 7 people. The Somerset, Utah features a unique fold-down design that allows for easy towing and storage while offering a roomy interior. Inside, you'll find a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping areas, and plenty of storage space. The hard-sided construction provides excellent insulation and protection from the elements, making it suitable for various weather conditions. The simple and easy setup process makes it perfect for spontaneous campers. The Aliner Somerset, Utah offers a blend of practicality, durability, and comfort, making it an ideal option for families and groups eager to explore the great outdoors. The Airstream REI Basecamp is an innovative collaboration that combines Airstream's quality with REI's outdoor experience. This travel trailer is designed for adventurers who want to explore off-grid destinations without sacrificing comfort. The Basecamp features sustainable materials and expanded solar and power options, making it perfect for eco-conscious travelers. Inside, it offers a well-organized layout with dedicated eating and sleeping areas, a fully equipped kitchen, and a wet bath. The trailer's robust build ensures durability on rough terrains, while its compact size allows easy towing and maneuverability. The REI Basecamp also includes unique touches like a custom rear tent attachment, providing extra living space and enhancing the overall camping experience. This trailer is ideal for those who love outdoors and want a reliable, stylish, and sustainable travel companion. The flagship E-Pro E15TB by Forest River is a compact travel trailer that offers a surprising amount of comfort and functionality in a small package. Known as the Swiss Army knife of RVs, this trailer features a flexible interior layout with two twin beds that can convert into a king-size bed, providing versatility for sleeping arrangements. It also includes a fully equipped bathroom, a TV, and an awning, ensuring a comfortable stay wherever you go. Despite its small size, the E15TB is packed with amenities, including a well-appointed kitchenette and ample storage space. Its lightweight design makes it easy to tow with various vehicles, and its robust construction ensures it can handle diverse camping conditions. It's perfect for those seeking a compact yet fully functional travel trailer for their adventures. The Sundowner Trailblazer is a travel trailer that stands out for its robust build and practical design. Known for producing durable and reliable trailers, Sundowner has equipped the Trailblazer with all the essentials for a comfortable travel experience. The trailer features a spacious interior with a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping areas, and plenty of storage. Its aluminum construction ensures longevity and resistance to the elements, making it a great choice for various camping environments. The Trailblazer's design focuses on functionality, with features like a full bathroom and modern amenities to ensure a pleasant stay. Whether for a weekend getaway or a longer journey, this trailer provides a reliable and enjoyable home on wheels. Casita travel trailers are celebrated for their lightweight, compact design and exceptional durability. These trailers offer a versatile and comfortable living space, making them popular for couples and families. The fiberglass shell construction ensures a robust and weather-resistant structure, while the thoughtfully designed interiors maximize space and functionality. Each Casita model includes amenities such as a fully equipped kitchen, dining area, and cozy sleeping quarters. The trailers are also customizable, allowing buyers to choose layouts and features that suit their needs. With their reputation for quality and reliability, Casita trailers provide a dependable and enjoyable travel experience. The RV Retro 135 by Riverside RV is a charming travel trailer combining vintage aesthetics and modern amenities. Its compact size makes it easy to tow and maneuver, which is ideal for those who prefer a smaller trailer without compromising on comfort. The Retro 135 features a cozy interior with a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a spacious bathroom. The trailer's retro design elements, such as the classic wheel fenders and nostalgic color schemes, add a unique and stylish touch. Despite its vintage appearance, the Retro 135 is built with contemporary materials and technology, ensuring durability and efficiency. The ample storage space and well-thought-out layout provide a comfortable living environment, perfect for weekend getaways or longer trips. The RV Retro 135 offers a delightful blend of old-school charm and modern convenience for today's travelers. So what do you think about these incredible small travel trailers under $30K? Which one is your favorite for your next adventure? Comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy travels!